As I noticed before, it's important to know related terms to NFT if you are interested in it. We talked about blockchains in previous video. Today we will review some new terms. Hi and welcome back. Let's get to the point right now. NFT Marketplace is a decentralized platform where people can buy, sell, or trade NFTs. The majority of NFT marketplaces are built on Ethereum and Solana blockchains. OpenSea is one of the most popular marketplaces. In simple terms, minting is the act of adding, validating, and recording NFTs on the blockchain. Once NFT is minted, it's available for public consumption and can be viewed, bought, and traded on the open marketplace. A one-of-one artwork or NFT is completely exclusive. These are a little like paintings in real life, and there is only one of them in the world. Due to their rarity, they are usually much more expensive than other NFT editions. A PFP NFT is a digital token or artwork that's designed to be displayed as a person's social media profile picture. Many of the world's most popular NFT collections like CryptoPunks or Doodles are PFPs. The floor price of NFT is the lowest listed price in the entire collection. The value of a collection is often dictated by its own floor price. A royalty is a set amount of proceeds that one receives in exchange for owning, creating, or licensing a work. Many NFT creators receive royalties as a predetermined percentage of the sale price every time their work is sold on NFT marketplaces. So, NFT creators don't just make money when the work is sold for the first time. They will have a passive income in every transaction. A hot wallet is a digital wallet that's kept online. It's connected to the blockchain and allows you to store, send, and receive tokens. It can be accessed from any device, anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection and your private keys. Since they are connected to the internet, they tend to be less secure. MetaMask is an example of a hot wallet. A cold wallet is a more secure type of wallet in cryptocurrencies that's kept offline. Hardware wallets are physical devices. They look like something like USB drives. As a result, hardware wallets are typically the most secure and safe way to store tokens. These are some basic terms that we need to know before start anything in NFT world. They really help us understand what's going on. I'll come back with more info.